Hello friends, it's me Dua. Welcome to D Furry Kids Gallery. Today I can show you how to make this easy Charmuri recipe. It's very easy. It's so tasty. You can try if you love. I love it. It's very tasty. We need coconut oil, puff rice, boiled egg, coriander leaves, tomato, onion, lemon, and chili powder and salt. Take a big bowl and spoon also and take the lemon away. Be careful with the plate, because it will just broke. So I'm gonna put like this. Add the vegetables like this. See, you can add like this. Be careful with this, so you broke that. Now add 2 teaspoons of chili powder and salt to taste. And mix it well. Mix it well. Next, we're going to add the puffers, all of them. And mix them. Mix them again. Mix them again. Now add coconut oil with 3 spoons of coconut oil. Be careful, don't put too much, only 3 spoons. Now we're going to add this lemon. Squeeze the lemon. Squeeze the lemon. Now a little more. And more. Now mix it again. Mix it well. Now that baby is just doing something. My baby. Now anyway, I mixed them. Now I'm gonna take this bicycle ball. Now I'm gonna add this Charmuri in the bowl. Charmuri is ready. Boiled egg is optional. If you want egg, you can add. Otherwise, you can skip it. Now I'm gonna garnish with boiled eggs and coriander leaves. Now my tasty, yummy, delicious Charmuri is ready. It's very tasty. My mouth is getting water. Wow. And thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, give a thumbs up. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye.